Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Welcome back to my channel. I am Aisha Arabic recipe. Welcome guys, welcome once more. Thank you guys for your support. I am almost to get 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. You are missing you guys. Continue to support each other. Keep going, keep pushing, inshallah. Anybody will reach there, inshallah. So today video I'm going to make Musabib, or you can call Sabib. It's the same name in Arabic. Okay, this is Sabib. You can call Musabib. It's the same name. So as I show you like this, I have white flour 1 cup. I have brown flour and 1 cup also, and I have water 2 cups. I have milk. I have oil, 2 big spoon of oil, and I have 2 eggs, guys. And I have sugar. Sugar is 3 big spoon, and I have a bunch of salt, and I have yeast. In Arabic we call it hamira, and I have milk powder 3 big spoon, and turmeric 1 small spoon, and I have black pepper 1 big spoon. You can call it not black pepper, sorry guys, it is black seeds. You can call it herb soda in Arabic language. So guys, as you see, intelligence is there in front of you guys, as you see, and let us start, inshallah. So I will start with water, 2 cups of water. I add 2 eggs. After that, I add 3 big spoon of milk powder. I add hamira 1 big spoon. Hamira, it is yeast, okay. I add sugar 3 big spoon, and then I add salt, a punch, and also turmeric is the 1 big spoon. So, and then the oil 2 big spoon. So after that, I'm going to mix very well. Okay guys, and because of the shot, so it's like that. Pans. I am going to add white flour 1 cup. That is 300 ml. I am going to add brown flour, and then I continue to mix, guys. You see how it look like my sabib, or you can call it musabib. So guys, I am going to close it for 30 minutes before I put in the heat. Okay, so let me cover for 30 minutes. Sorry. Okay, it's okay, it's for 30 minutes. I'm going to add black seeds. You see, it's black seeds, and then I mix very well. Okay, Musabib or Masabib. Okay. So already I have pan, the heat. You see his pan, and this one is I'm going to use like this. Okay, if you don't have it like this exactly, you can use big spoon like this. Okay, it works. It is the same, like looks like the same. Okay, but for me, because I have it, just I'm going to use here. I add here. There it is. Okay, so after that I do like this. Okay, for me I like smaller size, but if you like a pancake, you can extend the size you want. For me, I like a smaller size. Actually, smaller size is the best for Masabib. Okay, so we have to wait for some minutes, and we'll be changing, right, guys? So you see, guys, just you change on both sides, just like that. Very easy, guys. So guys, thank you very much. I really continue to appreciate you guys. You are listening. You are good people. Let us keep pushing. Like I said before, I'm almost getting 1,000 subscribers, and that is because of you guys. I love you all, and we are continuing to support each other every time to time. Okay, I really appreciate it. That's why. We are almost there. Okay, look. Wow, mashallah. Mashallah. Guys, how do you think about this? My size. How do you think it? Please don't forget to share my video with your friends, sisters, guys. Missing. This is Masabib, or Musabib, has the same name, guys. Okay, going to add once. Like I said, if you like the big size, just extend like pancake. Okay, it depends on how you like it. Okay, for me I like the small sizes, and the small size is the best, because it's not a pancake, just it's a Masabib. Okay, so guys, we have done Musabib, as you see, guys. So I'm going to add this is honey. Wow, just like that, honey, to enjoy my Masabib. You see, guys, just like that. Wow. So this is Masabib, guys, as you see it. Okay, this is honey. If you like honey, this is honey. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider to like, comment and subscribe, and also you can share with your friends, your family, and whatever you wish. I really appreciate it for those who are supporting me and continue to subscribe and to watch my video. I really appreciate it, guys.